Hey there, everyone. Let's do an unboxing from Firmoo prescription glasses. And this is the case mine came in. You define your look. I like that. And as you can see, when you open it, it comes in a pouch. Very nice textured, so soft. And I like that it has a drawstring to make sure your glasses are secure. Very good packaging, Firmoo. This is the frame that I chose, the cat eye. Black and gold, and it comes in assorted colors as well. For $25.99, you can't beat that. I like that springing action too to make sure it fits my face perfectly. And that it does. You see that? Very nice. It goes so well with my outfit too. You see it up close? Very cutesy. Very stylish. Let's check out some more information about Firmoo prescription glasses and their frames. Very stylish, I like. And this is the discount code for you to use. Check it out. Very nice. So cute. You did good, sis. Very nice. Thanks for watching.